Hey everyone, my name's Bblonde. I'm a blonde specialist based in London and have been colouring hair for over 12 years. The biggest struggle that I face every day is trying to achieve the perfect blonde for all of my clients and their different hair types. But luckily for you, you don't have to learn how to colour everyone's hair. All you have to know is how to colour your own. So I'm here today to offer some tips and tricks on how you can achieve your perfect blonde. So today we have Susie in the chair, and Susie is wanting to add some nice dimension to these beautiful curls. We've been on a bit of a hair journey for the last year, so today we're going to get her summer ready. So let me show you how we're going to use the Ultra Blonding Kit to add some dimension and bring out these curls for summer. So today I've chosen to use our Ultra Blonding Kit. Now in the kit you'll find our high lift bleach powder, a cream peroxide, a bowl and brush, and our J-Plex shampoo and mask. In the kit, you'll also find our J-Plex Bond Primer, which I like to add into the mix. This is going to protect as it lifts to keep those curls really strong and hydrated. So now I'm about to mix up our lightening solution. So in this bowl, I've got our blonding powder and our cream developer, which I pour in. Now I'm gonna add in our J-Plex Bond Primer. And once all that's in, we're going to give it a nice mix with our whisk, and we're going to make sure that everything is really mixed in well and no lumps or bumps. So that way there's a really even consistency when we apply. So now that everything's mixed up, I've got my gloves on and Susie has her gown on, and I do want to make sure that you at home are fully protected before applying any colour. So I'm going to clip this back and start from underneath here. So I like to pull out strands like this, get my brush and just start really gently painting some pieces on. So as I'm applying this product, I like to really go with the curl. I like to start off on the ends and really make sure I'm working it into the hair so it gets through both sides for a natural, even lift. I like to start off low, and then in other pieces I also like to go a bit higher, which is also going to create maximum dimension and shift in colour as the curls form. So you'll also notice that I'm not using any foil because today I've decided to do a bit more of an airlift technique. So now I'm going to break up this curl and really separate it so we've got some really fine pieces, which is going to add a nice shift in dimension. And again, I'm just going to paint it on the very ends, make sure nothing is too close to the roots. So now it's time to check on Susie. Now, because I have a trained eye, I tend to know when my clients and their colours are fully developed, but sometimes it is a little hard to see. That's why I really recommend doing a strand test to make sure that you know exactly how long your hair could take for development. So now we've shampooed, and now I'm going to go ahead and put in the J-Plex treatment mask. Now, it's really normal that all curls have different types of texture. So I really like to make sure that when I put this mask in, I'm leaving it for a full 10 minutes to make sure that you get the most out of the treatment. You'll get shine, you'll get strength, and you'll get a lot of bounce back in your curls. Now we have Susie back, and as you can see, her color is dramatically different. Like I said before, just because you use bleach doesn't mean you need to go blonde. All we did was a few hand-painted pieces that lifted and added a lot of dimension to bring out these curls and get her ready for summer.